To make note 115 easy, we will impose the following rule without specifying it precisely in the note. And that is that the formulas that are given for the general indefinite integrals, the ones that have the plus c at the end, they apply only on an interval upon which the function is defined. And that goes without saying. That's what I want you to understand. Even if I don't specify it, it's true. Here's an example. We know that the antiderivative of the function 1 over x squared has, the actual graph is going to have a discontinuity at x equals 0. It's an asymptote. And therefore, what you see when you do the graph has a different expression for the integral, for the antiderivative on the left and on the right of that point of discontinuity, x equals 0. In other words, the antiderivative of 1 over x squared is equal to negative 1 over x plus a constant c sub 1. But that's true for x smaller than 0 on the left side of the discontinuity, while on the right side the antiderivative would be a little different. It would have a different constant, negative 1 over x plus c sub 2 for x greater than 0. And then exactly at x equals 0, the whole thing is undefined. So our formula table, item number 4, simply says the integral of 1 over x squared dx is equal to the antiderivative plus c, the antiderivative negative 1 over x. Well, you just have to understand that this answer actually means that it is true on the x interval upon which the function is defined, from 0 to infinity, or on the interval of x values from negative infinity to 0. That's all I'm saying. That's understood in the table.